Aflatoxin B1, Hero or Villain, presented by Samantha Hernandez. Some general information. Aflatoxin B1 is a toxin, meaning it's toxic. Its chemical formula is composed of 17 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen. Its molecular weight is of 312.27 grams per mole. Some physical characteristics are aflatoxin B1 is a solid. It could be a colorless to pale yellow crystal or a white powder. Its melting point is 268 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is 632.4 plus or minus 55.0 degrees Celsius. Aflatoxin B1 has a solubility in water of 16.14 milligrams per liter at 25 degrees Celsius. Some general characteristics. Aflatoxin B1's toxicity. Aflatoxin B1 is highly toxic and can be fatal if swallowed, inhaled, or if it comes in contact with the skin. Its flammability. Aflatoxin B1 flammability has not been determined clearly. However, it is most likely combustible or flammable. There are other types of aflatoxins, such as aflatoxin B2, G1, G2, as well as aflatoxin M1, which is a metabolite of B1, and M2. Aflatoxin B1's discovery. Aflatoxin B1 was discovered in England in the year 1960 after more than 100,000 young turkeys died over the course of a few months. The new disease was called turkey X disease. Not long after, people discovered that the new disease was not only limited to turkeys, since ducklings and young peasants started to get affected as well. After a more careful look at the outbreak, it was determined that the new disease was associated with the Brazilian groundnut meal, since a study revealed that its toxic nature, as it produced the typical symptoms of the turkey X disease. Where can it be found? Aflatoxin B1 is found in agricultural crops, such as corn, peanuts, and tree nuts. It is produced by the fungus Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus, as shown in the last picture. So how is it created? Aflatoxin B1 can usually be found in areas with moisture, humidity in the air, or areas with warm temperatures. Its benefits are unknown. However, it does have some drawbacks. Aflatoxin B1 could cause hepatic cancer or liver cancer, several genetic defects, and also when heated to decomposition, it can emit toxic fumes of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Does it come from multiple sources or is it rare? Aflatoxin can be found in agricultural fields all over the world. However, the severity depends mostly on the way the crops are stored or handled. Aflatoxin B1 is nominated as Molecular Villain of the Year. AFB1 is a mycotoxin, meaning a natural toxin, which usually comes from fungi, that contaminates food and sometimes bodies of water. This toxin is known to cause severe health issues and sometimes even death. AFB1 is also the most toxic and carcinogenic, meaning causes cancer, of all the different types of aflatoxins. It is known to be one of the main causes of hepatocellular carcinoma, which is a type of liver cancer, and also one of the most aggressive types of cancer. Aflatoxin B1 is not only a health hazard to humans, but animals as well. Therefore, for its devastating and dangerous effects, I believe aflatoxin B1 should be the molecular villain of the year.